Welcome, my friends, to the steam driven, to the dream driven, psychomechanical Cirque.
Absolutely phenomenal. Really, really good.
Crazy.
Not like a normal circus, that's for sure.
Favourite part was definitely the bikes at the end. Like we all thought it was going to be one, and then 3 came in, and it was phenomenal.
The girl with the feet thing, she was so fit. That was pretty impressive, I have to say.
The motorbikes were amazing.
Yeah, they were amazing.
And the bit at the beginning with the wheel when he was like blindfolded.
Yeah.
That was good.